Where's B-127?
Sorry, I'm late. Hit a little traffic. Optimus?
Decepticons, attack!
Autobots, fall back! Get to the tower!
Destroy the launch pad! Let none escape!
Cybertron has fallen. Get to the escape pods. There are other Autobots scattered across the galaxy. We must reach them if we hope to survive.
Optimus, this is our home. We have to fight for it.
We will fight on, but we must find refuge first. I found a planet that's well hidden. Earth. You will travel there and establish a base for us. Once we've gathered the others, we'll join you. You must protect the planet. If the Decepticons find it, then our people are truly finished. Now go. Good luck, soldier. I'll buy you some time.
Take cover! You okay? This is Agent Jack Burns. I need medical up here now. We have a projectile strike in the northwest corner of the training course. Multiple injuries. And would someone please explain to me why you dropped napalm on your own guys?
Negative. There are no black pocket drills in the northwest sector.
What the hell hit us then? And track that thing down now! Drive! There! What the hell? Take it down! Get down there now and flush that thing out! There it is!
Located, sir.
Light it up! Damn! Oh no. Going for the mine! Cut it off! Please, this is a mistake. Stay cool. Hold your fire. I don't want to hurt anyone. Who called in the Air Force? That's not the Air Force. Run.
You think you could hide? your friends are hiding.
I'll never talk.
Is that right? Then let's make it official. B-127. As a member of the Autobot Resistance, you are a traitor to Cybertron, and are hereby sentenced to death. No!